The Alex Grid widget helps you display blog posts in a stylish grid formation. The widget is a first-line product by Ultimate Post Kit plugin. Let's get to know it. From the layout section, you can increase the column gap between posts as well as adjust image heights. There are total 3 layout styles for the grid. Each one is different and unique. You can select the content position also. On query, you can select the source of the display items from posts, pages, and landing pages. There are options for choosing specific category, tag, or format also. The additional section has a bunch of switchers. Turning them on or off will show or hide titles, categories, authors from the posts. Moving on to the Style tab. The content block on top of the post images have the glass morphism effect enabled. However, you can keep it or use a simpler color for the part. The title can be customized by changing the color and typography. The color option works for both the active mode and hover mode. Turning on the advanced style switcher will reveal more options for the titles. The category section is for customizing the category that is placed on top of the title. Let's change both the text and background color and add some padding on it. The Read More button is at the bottom of the content box. Let's customize it. That's it, your blog post is now ready to be published. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.